What's going on, guys? So today I'm here with my friend Luke as we are starting part 2 of my garage build for the Z06.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
So today we're going to be cleaning up a wooden cabinet that I had lying around. Clean it up, put it into the garage. We're going to finally get all my car care products in the garage, and then we'll see what else is going on for today. We'll start up the car, have a little fun, and go from there. So this is the wooden cabinet that I have to work with. As you can see, it is pretty freaking dirty, but we're gonna clean it up, make it look pretty nice, and then we're going to put up just like a little thin composite as a back wall, put our car care products in there, and it should be looking pretty nice. So now, after wiping down the wood with a wet rag, it's actually looking pretty good, way better than it did before. And now we're gonna start just giving it a quick polish, even though I don't really need this to look that good. I'm just gonna give it a quick polish and then probably head out to get like a thin board or something that we could put up on the back, and then we'll get the car care products into here. So that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. I'm really glad we got the cabinet done and all my car care products are out here now. The next two things that I want to do are put a solar cell right up on top here, just so I can run a fixture or something, just in case we're working, whether it's at night and we need the light, or if it's in the daytime and it's really not too light outside and we want to do something here. So get a light up there. And then also the other thing is put down something on the ground here where it's pretty much just dirt and gravel. I'm not really looking to put any like actual flooring of some sort in, but just something to cover, so like a thin plastic or rubber rollout mat or something that we can put in here. Just something that we can roll the Corvette in on here and it's just not sitting on the dirt and gravel. So I just want to thank you guys again for watching today's video. If you're stopping by for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please slap that like button. I hope you guys have a fantastic day and I will see you next time. Take care.